Hey everyone, welcome to DevOps Playground. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect VS Code to GitHub. This is essential for any developer or DevOps engineer because it lets you push code directly to GitHub from VS Code. By the end of this video, you will have everything set up and working. Let's get started. Before we start, let me quickly explain why you need to connect VS Code to GitHub. GitHub is where we store our code online. It's like a backup and collaboration tool. VS Code is our code editor where we write code. Without connecting them, you have to use the command line or GitHub base time every time. You want to save your code to GitHub. That's complicated, but when they are connected, you can push your code to GitHub with just a few clicks. First, we need to download Git. You are going to open your web browser and go to Git, and you are going to type git minus scm download. To make it easier, we are going to say git minus scm .com. Okay, it has taken us to this page. Now you are going to press download for Windows, but if you are using Mac, you could press download for Mac. But we are going to press download for Windows. Since I'm using Windows, I'm going to press Git. You are seeing here is saying click here to download the latest 2.4 version of GitHub. This is the most recent maintained build. It was released 2 days ago on 2025-10/17. So you are going to install the standalone installer Git for Windows /S64 setup. Okay, it's showing me error. This site can't be reached. So we have to try another way to download the GitHub. But if your own actually works, that's okay. But if your own doesn't work, then we have to think outside the box. We have to use wingit install id git.git esource. This line. You copy, then you go to your VS Code terminal in PowerShell. Currently, right now, we are going to paste it in our VS Code. Okay, it is loading. Let us wait quite a bit before it has finished loading. It has finished loading, but it is telling us an unexpected error occurred while executing the command. Internet open URL failed, unknown error. So I think it's from the internet connection. So we have to try another way. We have to think outside the box. So okay, currently right now I'm in my administrator Windows PowerShell. So I'm trying to use Choco to install the GitHub. I'm trying to install GitHub from Choco. So first of all, we have to install our Choco. So let me just check whether my Choco is installed. Choco version. Okay, it's telling me that my Choco is installed. But if you guys want to install your Choco, you could easily do it by asking ChatGPT or Cloud AI. You just need to type how to install Choco in your administrator PowerShell to give you the steps to do that. But if you want, I could show you. You could just put it in the comment section and I'll put it in my next video. Okay, now I'll put down Choco install GitHub minus desktop minus Y. This was used for it to automatically approve it without telling me whether I want to approve it. Like it is yes. So I have typed it down. Let us see whether it works. Okay, Choco is installing the following packages: GitHub Desktop by installing your asset licenses from the packages. Okay, it is downloading. 45%, 6%, 7%. Okay, it's installing. Yeah, finally we have installed our Choco. It's telling GitHub 3.5.2 approved. GitHub desktop package file installed completed. Performing other installation steps. Installing GitHub desktop. GitHub desktop has been installed. Okay, our GitHub account right now has been installed. So to link our GitHub to VS Code, I'm going to show it to you right now. Now come to the important part. We are currently right now in our VS Code. So we are planning to connect our GitHub to VS Code. So since it not shows any notification about connecting it, in the below left corner you will see enter your profile, then you will see sign in with GitHub to use GitHub Copilot. Now it will take us to another page. Okay, now we are in the sign in to GitHub to continue to Visual Studio Code. So let me explain too. You must have a GitHub account before you are able to sign in, because if you don't have a GitHub account, you must go and create it. But right now I have my own GitHub account that is showing me this. So I'm just going to put my email address and my password. You must have a GitHub account. I said it again. Then sign in. Then continue. It's going to show you sign in as Sadis2 owner. Yeah, that's me. Okay. Launching VS Code. Always allow. Okay. Okay. Now we have linked our VS Code to GitHub. So check in your profile. You can see it right now. It's showing me Sadis2 owner GitHub. So currently right now I've linked my GitHub to my VS Code, and as you can see, it's showing manage trust extension, manage trust MCP servers, and sign out. Okay, and there you go. VS Code is now connected to GitHub. But what's next? How do you actually work with Git in VS Code? How do you clone repos, commit changes, and push code? That's exactly what I will show you in my next video. So make sure you subscribe to DevOps Playground so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Have a nice day.